Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the OSD language for Samsung Odyssey 3. And to do this we'll need to find the joystick button in the middle of our screen. It should be right there, not sure if you can see it. So click on that joystick button, then move up with the same joystick and click on menu. Now we want to scroll down for on-screen display, and it should be right here, the third option. Now move to the right and select the language. And here's a list. You can check all of the languages available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.